Hey guys, so I was reading in the comments below and you say you wanted a room tour. I already gave you a room tour, but I'll give you another room tour. It's going to be a short video, like usual. Pictures of me. AC, whale, stuffed animals, stuff like that. My bed, my TV, and my couch, and my bureau, and my desk. And that's all. And where I keep my clothes, of course. And that's all in a dollhouse. And that's what happened, guys. And if you guys want and if you guys want to see other videos that you want me to make, I'll make them. Leave a comment in the link below, and I'll make those videos. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'll make those videos. Oh, someone's coming down. Oh, you want to see how this candle turns on? Like this. That's how that candle turns on. Yeah, guys, please leave a comment in the link below if you want me to make other cool videos,
What
guys.
link below? What does that mean?
What does it mean? No, YouTube's they leave comments in the link below.
What's the link below?
I don't know. You leave a comment in the video, you'll know what I'm talking about.
That's not a link.
Okay.
That's not what that word means.
Okay. Well, yeah. Leave a comment. Planks.